Hey guys, how's it going? This is Hassan here from Hashtag, and today I'm bringing you the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's get right into it. So, starting right off the bat, we have the box of the iPhone. It has the picture of the iPhone up front, and it's slimmer this year than usual. Let's take off the plastic wrapping. The box is in its typical black color this year as well, and it is a clamshell style box. So opening it up, we have the iPhone up front. Let's put it to the side for now and look at the contents of the box. This year we obviously don't get a wall adapter or a headphone. All we get is a lightning cable along with the literature and the SIM eject tool along with one single Apple sticker. This year they've tried to keep it simple, and they say they've done it for environmental reasons but we obviously know there might be other reasons associated with it as well. Anyway, that's all that is in the box. Pretty simple unboxing. Here's the phone, and they've wrapped it up in this sort of glazed paper this year, so the peel isn't as satisfying as usual. Yeah, not as satisfying, but I guess it's more environmentally conscious, so that's good. So we have the phone itself. Obviously it has a boxier design, reminiscent of the iPhone 4 generation of phones, and we have the phone in the Pacific blue color. On the side we have the volume rocker and the mute switch. On the bottom we have the lightning port. Apple has not switched to USB Type-C this year, obviously. On the right side we have the power key, we have the microphones as well. On the back, the triple camera setup. Now let's boot up the device. There's a 6.7-inch 1284 by 2778 pixel screen. The iPhone 12 Pro Max sports a triple camera setup, all three cameras 12 megapixel with the new sensor shift OIS technology, which is pretty dope. And one is telephoto, one is ultra wide, and one is the normal camera. And the front facing camera is also 12 megapixels with an f-stop of 2.2, and the cameras of the iPhone are obviously one of the best in the league. Now let's take a listen to how the speakers sound on the iPhone. These headphones are over the ear. On the right hand side they have inside the lid headphone jack the user manual, the injection tool. So the iPhone has a pretty good stereo speaker setup. No headphone jack of course, but you can get the AirPods Pro, pretty good wireless earbuds. A bit overpriced, but yeah, that's just how it is. Well, I guess that was it from this video. I'm sorry if I didn't give enough information. This is the first Apple video ever on my channel, and I'm obviously not as familiar with Apple products as I am with Android products, so forgive me for that. But yeah guys, that's been it for me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one with another unboxing. Peace out.